Today, we're going to take a look at the lattice multiplication method. We're going to take a look at why we use it, how we use it, and what we need to know so we can use this method of multiplication properly. So lattice, what is it? First of all, it's a quick way to multiply numbers, not just any regular single-digit numbers, multi-digit numbers. It's also a way for us to organize our thoughts and information. We use our lattice box, seen right here in this screen, to multiply our numbers and keep them organized so we don't have numbers jumbled up all over our paper. So, what do we need to know to use lattice? First of all, you need to know your single-digit multiplication facts. Since we're going to be multiplying multi-digit facts, it's important that you know the bases, the single-digit facts. Lattice also uses some addition. It's important that you know how to add and add up numbers correctly. How it works. Here on our screen, you're going to see a lattice box. Now, lattice boxes can be used to multiply 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers, 3-digit by 4-digit, 5-digit by 5-digit. The only thing that changes is how big your box is. First, you need to put your numbers in the correct spots. 47. 47 goes into your tens place, so we have 2 columns. 58 also goes in the tens place, so we're going to put that going down our box. Now, you're going to notice that we have these lines going through our lattice box. Those lines are important to keep numbers organized. So, let's take a look at our problem. First, we're going to take our 10-digit, our number in our 10-digit, 4, and multiply it by the number in our 10-digit, 5. 4 times 5 is going to give me 20. My 10s place goes to the left, and my ones place goes to the right. Now I'm going to take my ones place, 7, and multiply it by my tens place, 5. 7 times 5 gives me 35. 10s place goes to the left, ones place goes to the right. Now let's take a look here. We're going to take my 10s and multiply it by my 1. 4 times 8 gives me 32. Now I'm going to take my ones place and multiply it by my ones place. 7 times 8 is going to give me 56. You want to make sure that there is a number each part in your lattice box. Now we take these numbers in our columns and we're going to add them together. 6 is in its own column, so you're just going to carry that outside the lattice box. 5 plus 5 gives me 10. 10 plus 2 is going to give me 12. I'm going to carry my 1 up into my next diagonal column. 3 plus 1 gives me 4. 4 plus 3 gives me 7. There's no number to add my 2 to, so I'm going to just carry it outside of the box. These numbers here outside of your box make up your number. You're going to start at the top of your box, and that's going to be your first number. So it's going to be 2,726 for our answer. Now, you try. Take a minute, pause this tape, and multiply 78 by 27. After you took some time to look at this problem and pause it, let's go over it together. So I'm going to take my tens place and multiply it by my tens place. 7 times 2 gives me 14. Take my ones place, multiply it by my tens. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm going to take my 7 and multiply it by my 7. 7 times 7 gives me 49. 8 times, I'm going to take my ones place, multiply it by my ones place. 8 times 7 gives me 56. Now I'm going to go ahead and carry my number, 6. 6 plus 5, plus 9 you want to add. So when you add that up, you should get 20. Now I'm going to have my 2 up here. 2 plus 1 is going to give me 3. 3 plus 4 is going to give me 7. 7 plus 4 is going to give me, that's right, 11. I have my 1 plus 1, and I'm going to get a 2. So 78 times 27 is going to give me 2,106. Lattice multiplication is a great way to keep our thoughts organized and on paper. Now, try some problems with your teacher. Good luck!